Ayun, medyo parang hindi ko yata kaya yun. Kasi matagal mag-mature ang boys. So, parang ayoko muna mag-alaga ng baby. Parang nagka-baby kami, dalawa yung baby ko agad. So, dapat syempre mas mature sa akin. Kasi feeling ko naman mas mature din ako for my age. Medyo 80 years old na ako. So, pwede na ako sa 92.
For me personally, I'd want to be like older or the same age lang.
Younger, I've never had any relationship that's the guy is younger than me, but I don't think I know anything I can say kasi hindi ko pa nasusubukan at palagay ko hindi ko naman gustong subukan. Mas gusto ko talaga yung mas matanda siya kesa sa akin. Kasi ang hinahanap ko is yung matured kesa sa akin.
Sa tingin ko okay lang naman, pero hindi naman yung sobrang young. Maybe 2 to 3 years younger, pwede pa yun. Kasi age doesn't matter when it comes to love. It's more about how you guys love each other. It's not how you guys, about the age. And if he acts like he's older naman, why not?
Papayag ba ako na magkaroon ng relasyon, May December affair? Much younger. 10 years younger, 15 years younger. Siguro, mga 6 months. Kasi syempre lalabas at lalabas pa rin. Na magkalayo talaga kayo ng edad at lalabas pa rin yung ibang... May iba pa siyang gustong gawin na hindi mo na masakyan. So realistic din ako, pero gusto ko rin siyang matikman.
I think, basta nagkakasundo kami and may in love ako sa tao kahit na mas bata pa sa akin, I think that there's nothing wrong with that. I'm fine with that.